The Washington Post has created an interactive fitness test that can help people determine their level of fitness based on their age and exercise routine. This test is a unique tool that can give individuals a better understanding of how their level of fitness compares to others in their age group. The test is simple to use. Users are prompted to input their age, gender, and exercise habits, including the frequency and intensity of their workouts. Once this information is provided, the interactive tool generates a personalized fitness score. The fitness score is based on a scale of 1 to 100. The higher the score, the better the individual's fitness level is considered to be. The score is divided into quartiles, allowing users to compare themselves to others in their age group. This provides insight into where they stand in terms of their overall fitness. In addition to the fitness score, the interactive tool also provides detailed information on how the individual compares to others in their age group, both on a national and global scale. This can be valuable in understanding how one's fitness level matches up to the rest of the population. Furthermore, the interactive tool offers suggestions and recommendations for maintaining or improving fitness based on the individual's age and current exercise habits. This can serve as a helpful guide for those looking to achieve specific fitness goals. Overall, the Washington Post's interactive fitness test is a useful resource for individuals seeking to assess their level of fitness and gain insights into how they compare to others in their age group. It provides a comprehensive evaluation, personalized recommendations, and valuable information to help users make informed decisions about their fitness journey.